and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. AFC hosts successful weightlifting competition for youth. Lyon Institute celebrates International Youth Day with engaging programs. MACS launches International Youth Day with HIV awareness campaign. And Meghalaya leaders discuss peace and security with Home Minister. And now the news in detail. On August 10th, Anesthesia's Fitness Center, AFC, held a weightlifting competition for children under 12 and also for the youth, boys and girls at Don Bosco Youth Center, Lajamkra. The event, which began at 10 a.m., saw enthusiastic participation from boys and girls showcasing their strength. The competition concluded with a prize distribution ceremony. John Khubor, president of the Meghalaya Olympic Association, attended as the chief guest, motivating the young competitors. Expert judges including Anesthesia's Rundong Sngi, Sandeep Sharma and John J. Marbanyang ensured a fair evaluation of all participants. Jerry Lingdo was awarded the Best Lifter title in the men's category, while Larisha Momin earned the Best Women's Deadlift title. Sarangkat Marbo and Isa Larika Lapang were recognized as the best weightlifters in the men's and women's categories respectively. Medals were presented to the winners, celebrating their achievements and encouraging future participation.
Down, left. Go left. Go left. Come on, pull. Down, go left. Nice. Go left, nice. Mitchell, steady. Okay, good. Left. Down, go left. Alright, come on. Go left.
Let's give a big clap. So, India today has won 6 medals at the Olympics, 1 silver and 5 bronze. So we hope that in the future Olympics we'll be able to get more medals. Today we've seen weightlifting, powerlifting, and we see so much talent, so much effort by athletes. The state government is doing all its best to support the state associations, to support the athletes. We are very happy now we have cash awards for medal winners. We have also scholarships for medal winners. So I would bless all the schools, the athletes to read through the sports policy because there are a lot of incentives to be.
On August 12th, the Lyon Institute Nongpo celebrated International Youth Day 2024 at the District Library Nongpo. The event featured a variety of activities including a debate competition, poetry recitation and a panel discussion on teenage pregnancy with participation from local school children. Key attendees included Marylebon's AM MLA, Reverend Precious Timung, journalists Ibakan Teo Mauri and Toning Lapang, among others. The Lyon Institute recognized the efforts of all participants by awarding prizes and certificates. The celebration provided a platform for youth engagement and discussion on significant issues, fostering a supportive environment for young minds.
Is Nanda Kishore. Everyone has an ambition to get desired occupation. The only path is education that leads to our destination.
In the hand of his young heart of gold, with minds of India's youth so vibrant and so strong, with dreams and aspirations that can be wrong.
A journey woven through the life we hold. In every smile, in every tear we share, a bond is formed, so strong, so rare. We find in others pieces of soul, in kindness, in warmth, in making others whole. The love we give, the love we share, grows in return beyond what we plan.
Kita mengingat orang begitu tahu jong mereka tidak seperti
Parang long MLA harasin ke parang kong ngayola ban visit ya ke school apa constituency haba ngayo banyakran mahabat u headmaster ke school ikili sepangi enrollment jadi kena smart bat keli mungkin nong ikmat ke kamaran jadi ini bat keli ya kita jadi kena lagi lower primary nomor lagi upper primary and secondary. But ila om yang haba ada kelas 9 harus tangga snem dan arhomut haba good ke snem ki enrollment jadi kena isa setangkan dari mulai.
On August 12th, the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society (MACS) launched International Youth Day with a public awareness campaign at Usosotham Auditorium, Shillong. The Intensive Information, Education, Communication (IEC) Campaign 2024 was inaugurated by Dr. Maisel Amprin Lingdo, Minister of Health and Family Welfare, alongside MACS members, health officials, students, teachers and other dignitaries. In her address, Dr. Lingdo highlighted the challenges of living with HIV/AIDS and emphasized the government support for affected individuals. She encouraged the youth to promote awareness about HIV/AIDS and urged everyone to get tested. Dr. Lingdo also called on MACS to enhance efforts in identifying and treating people with HIV to control its spread in the community.
The society, health and caregivers, hakicaka basumar baphe to me. IDHS but kiki jo EP day 11 ka kapaduna hakisi si health centers ibang penpet sa dingay ya kung kini kinong nong but one lam shu kijima nakalunta sa imlang sa lam. Hakajing long nong jong Khuborjylla. Hanga hakiskor jong ngaru lala daynya ngamday kanong yalam jong kari. Ya kajing yaku kana kumno. Kibayo ya ka HIV/AIDS tengkat tang manlek manwat ya ka sumar ka sukir ka badai ka hok jong kiru. Jaka ay sumar ijong ni tengi ikan iki. Ni day ban pensengek kata. But lada don kino ki healthcare providers haka system kejongi ki bang glory magera. They banshim action itu. Nama lada ki nurse ki doktor ki nong ay suma dana itu. Kim glory dan keren. Toy lele ba. Uba sungai ya kaham saya. Basak pengob kumboong ikadenes. Hidakan, kinong di drugs. Kini kita di dalam kami di sini harap kujungi. bat mau piki kon kita dan haki school. Peit baka generation next dong kan Khubor katuni kanum long uta. Kanum day Khubor kaba bu kon bat kabamkoy banyaram kabalong judgment tu. Kata kabalas mosi tak babon na yung nimkuha ng sak, nimkuha ng kana, but nimkuha ng kare. Idok to the cruise, ka team jong fi kam day tang banjutuyadi.
On the 12th of August, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong met with Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss maintaining peace and stability in Meghalaya following recent protests in neighbouring Bangladesh. The leaders focused on ensuring regional security and addressing potential impacts on Meghalaya. In response, the Indian government has bolstered security measures along the Bangladesh border, enhancing Border Security Force (BSF) surveillance to prevent any spillover of unrest. The meeting underscored the commitment to safeguarding the region amid evolving regional dynamics.
Today, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself had a review meeting along with the Home Minister of India, Shri Amit Shah ji, to review the overall situation at the border area, keeping in mind the current situation that the country of Bangladesh is going through. In the review meeting, we have briefed the Honorable Home Minister that there was good work that is going on by the BSF and the Army, and very strict monitoring is being done currently by these two forces. And at the same time, the Meghalaya police also is on high alert. We also informed him that we have put night curfew all along the international border to further strengthen the overall security scenario in the border zone. We reiterated to the Honorable Home Minister that we should not allow at this point in time any individuals to cross the border, as the matter is very, very sensitive, and in detail discussions were done on that matter, and the Home Minister has further stated in the meeting that the Government of India is not going to allow any individual to cross over, and all the measures are being taken to ensure that the border is securely guarded so that no movement takes place across the border. Apart from that, we have also urged the Government of India through the Honorable Home Minister that if necessary, more manpower can be provided along the border areas so that the security can be reinforced. And to that, the Honorable Home Minister said he will examine the scenario and the situation and take necessary actions if necessary.
On August 6th, the Neutrep Youth Council HYC and the Neutrep Integrated Territorial Organization HITO, led by HYC General Secretary Pinskem Kharjaran, visited border villages Borsora, Balad, Ranikor and Nongjri in southwest Khasi Hills. This visit followed a request to the Deputy Commissioner to bolster security and to monitor the movement of individuals from Bangladesh. The civil society groups met with village authorities, residents and the area commandant of the BSF to advocate for heightened vigilance. Their efforts aim to ensure the safety and security of local communities amid regional tensions.
Nilkong kasing HYC ron po kasawa civil swing lalit bo eksin tha hakmat deputy commissioner bon penjur kacing ya kilat jeng penada sini bat kunjuru ya kilat pej perman kabay dito kacing rumah dia po kan bordat sementang lawan lagi hikmat ban cuma ya kacing rumah bang lai kendur bor senong bor tau naduk girang bak senong kisketri senong di bahag ni Khubor ya kabangnya ya kabannya peliu jemut kacing long jemaah hani. Tenang kali ini ngilap bamta kabay day bat kini ki jinglong jaman ne po bardar ngilay mungkin ru bagi BSF kabaki ka Khubor kabang yo niki kalong bahaduk menta kimpat senal ladon kabakum kata kabaong bakin kila don kita kibri ban sebar ban wan kantur sudah ukut sam jongka ribi jumi dah nakaleng jongka sinong ka thau hang ni apa Khubor dar kila ai ka trilang ber BSF ya kaba kila ai ru ka trilang ber Khubor kulit bahani apa Khubor dar panang ni sakmar jensa nang ile ya kata ka mentah ya kaban namta ka jing bahajing miat ban namta ka jing long jing skan jongki sinong ki thau hang ni apa Khubor te kumbang yong ba nakaleng jungi ni dak mensim kecing sukha ni ka Khubor sa ka sarkar kolong ba nang ni sakman ni nang yai dawa ba ni nang yai tu ba kanong ka ba pikir nam ta ka jing long jingman nam ta ka singan jongki nong song snong ane pa Khubor bardar balkloy ya kaban ai ti kamon ti kadang nam ta para snong para thau ban nam ta ki nong elam snong nong elang thau hakini ki Khubor bardar te kawai ka Khubor ka bang pap nong sa ki tu ki Khuborjylla ki pari kentam ki bana Bangladesh kelong ba Peit ilawan hakani Khubor ta da jing sukha ka mensim bat ladang i yo kanu Khubor ka bam sengotanat na ki nong song snong nong song thau ki ba hani apa Khubor bardar ilong ki balakloy ban wan biang sa sien pat ban ai ti kamon ti kadang nam ta ki.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.